Today our topic is types of variables. In a class, we can access a variables in different ways. Based on scope, we can access a variables in three types. Based on scope. The first one is static variables, second one is non-static variables, and third one is local variables. First we can see static variables. What is static variables means? We can declare a variable inside a class with using static keyword. Those variables are called static variables. In Java allocates a memory for static variables only once at the time of class loading. We can access static variables by using class name or object reference. Most of the cases access static variables by using class name only. This is the syntax for static variable declaration. Static variable declaration. Static data type variable name. Second one is non-static variables. Declare a variable inside a class without using static keyword. Those variables are called non-static variables. Java allocates a memory for non-static variables for every object creation. That means Java allocates a memory separately for every object. We can refer a non-static variables by using object creation only. That means object reference. First, what is object? A object is nothing but blueprint of a class, that our logical entity of a class. Now we can see how to create a object. This is the syntax for creating object. Class name, object name equals to new class name. New is a keyword. It is used to create a object in a class. This is the example for static and non-static variables. It is a static variables. Declare a variable inside a class with using static keyword. This is a non-static variable. Declare a variable inside a class without using static keyword. Now system.out.println a.i means access a I value from a class. This is to access a static variable. Here compiler throw one error because we cannot access a non-static variables by using class name. Error. We can access a non-static variables by using object reference. A is a object name and this A is a class name. A object is created for a class. So access a non-static variables by using object reference. Here the output is I value is 10 and j value is 30. Now third one is local variables. Declare a variable inside a method. Those variables are called local variables. We can access a local variables directly. Without initialization, we cannot access local variables. For local variables, initialization is mandatory. This is the example for local variables. It is a local variable because the variable declared in a method. Here compiler throw an error because without initialization we can't access a local variables, but without initialization we can access a static and non-static variables because Java provides a default values for static and non-static variables. Here the output is 40. The one more type is global variables. We can declare a variables outside the class. That means int I equals to 10, int j equals to 30. This is a class A and this one. We can declare a variable outside the class. Java does not support global variables. Thank you.